wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah.
Back to my channel, and I'm back with another shoe review. I did unbox this shoe already, but that's besides the point. The point of an unboxing is to take it out the box. So I put it back in the box to take it out the box for the video. So we just did an unboxing. Anyway, this is the white Fluff Momma Mongolian Ugg. In one box, right? Plot twist, I got two shoes though. So I had to get this shoe in every color. And that's exactly what I did. This beautiful, beautiful shoe is now on sale for $174. Girl, yes, go get it. The fur does come off. How do you not? It's true to size. Like I said, it comes in two colors, black and white. I love this shoe. It's my favorite Ugg. The bottom is just a regular schmegular Ugg. They do not get matted at the bottom, but they do tend to get, I only have one hand. They do tend to get matted like up in this area, but it's really awesome. It is. It's really awesome. And the other day I googled the sheep because I had to see what I was wearing. And the sheep look just like my boot. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to go ahead. So before I finish the video, I'm going to go ahead and read you the online information about this shoe, just so you can know a little more than what I actually know. But I don't know who goes on Ugg, looks for a shoe and actually reads it. Like, nobody cares. If it's cute, I want it. Alright, but here's the details of the shoe. It's crafted from Mongolian sheepskin with a soft interior. That is true. The inside is so soft, like it feels like it's just different. It doesn't feel like a normal Ugg. It feels like a foamy, furry cloud. And it's very versatile. It is Mongolian sheepskin, Ugg pure wool vamp lining, textile shaft lining, Ugg pure wool insole, Treadlite by Ugg outsole, and nylon binding with an 8-inch shaft. Boom! That's your online details, girl. If it's just too loud for your personality, they do have a Ugg just like this, but this part is like a regular Ugg with just the fur right here, you know, so you have options. So this does not get matted, but like the middle area to the top tends to get pretty matted. It's happened to me, and all you do is like separate the fur piece by piece if you can, and eventually you're just gonna get a clump that comes out, but you'll never be able to tell. When I ordered the black ones, I noticed it came a little nappier than the white did, but that's okay. I actually did trim the fur on the bottom of this. You could tell right here. I went too crazy. But fur on the white, I noticed, does disconnect from the shoe. It sheds. So I mean, I haven't worn the white yet. I have worn the black. And on the white, I just trimmed, like you could see right here, I chopped a little too much again. So the fact that it was longer than this is crazy. But the care on this shoe is really hard. But I mean, if you're careful, I say get it. I say it's definitely worth the money. I don't think it's worth the $350, even though now you don't have to pay $350 because it's on sale for $174. But it's not worth the original price, $350, just because the care is just not worth it. It's not. But it is worth $174. It really is. It's super cute. Not anybody has this shoe. Not just anybody. I've yet to see anybody with this shoe. That highlight though. So yeah, I am wearing it. It feels weird. I feel like one of those horses with really fluffy hooves. Like it just feels so fluffy when you walk in. You can feel the fur just bouncing. It's such a bouncy shoe. But I really love this shoe. It's like, it says my personality all over it, girl. It's a beautiful freaking shoe. It goes with anything, honestly. You could put it with a skirt, a dress, a matching set, jeans, leggings. Like, it's a versatile shoe, very versatile. You could even wear it in the summer because it's really not a hot shoe with socks. My feet wasn't hot. It's like a cool shoe, but at the same time it does keep your feet warm. If you really liked this review, be sure to thumbs up this video. Not for me, but for them. And I hope that you found this review very, very helpful. And I hope that you can decide if you want black or white. Once you go black, you never go back. I say get both. And yes, that is my really fast Fluff Momma Mongolian Ugg unboxing and review. The title, you already know what the shoe is, and I wanna gotta shimmy off the nervousness. Okay, let's try this again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. No, okay, take 3. Yeah, okay, take 3. Okay, that's just creepy. Take 4. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. No, that's not what I wanted to say. All right, take 5.